Yeah, she's been gone for at least a month and a half now.
What's up, boss?
2025년 10월 23일 뉴멕시코주의 한 건의 실종 신고가 접수됩니다. 실종자는 69세의 얼레스틴 할머니였는데요. 신고자는 다름 아닌 조카였으며 이후 할머니를 간호해오던 간호업체에서도 이상한 점을 발견하게 됩니다. 할머니의 아들은 자신의 어머니가 실종 신고된 상태임을 알고 있음에도 불구하고 국가에서 지원되는 간병 비용을 계속 지급해달라고 요구하고 있었던 것이었는데요. 이를 수상하게 여긴 간호업체는 경찰에 복지 점검을 요청하게 됩니다. 신고를 받고 출동한 경찰은 곧 믿기 힘든 충격적인 상황을 마주하게 되는데요. 과연 무슨 일이 있었던 걸까요? 지금 바로 확인해 보시죠.
You all know the lady that lives here?
I know that
The older lady?
There's a dude living
there's a
there.
dude that
Leroy?
lives there.
Is that Leroy?
We don't know.
I don't know his name. But he lived with an old lady.
Yeah. The last time you saw him.
Well, I know about like 2-3 weeks ago. Hold on, baby. 2-3 weeks ago, after a visit that she took me to, I haven't seen her since.
She took you?
Yeah, she used to. Me and her, we would go to the food bank together.
Okay.
So she ended up taking us back and forth. After like a few times, I didn't see her again.
Yeah. You haven't seen her charger here at all?
I'm sorry.
She sold it?
Yeah, he sold the car. He asked us if we wanted to buy it. I had asked him like, where did she go, and he's like, she went to Mexico. He was saying a bunch of things about her leaving to Mexico with her boyfriend. And then like a couple days later, he came and knocked, and he's like, hey, by any chance, do you want to buy my car? I'm trying to make money for rent. That's what he said.
How long ago was that?
Like a week ago. I know my brother asked him like, where's your mom at? Because we haven't seen her in a while, and he like stuttered and he just went silent.
When
They were fighting before she left.
that
I know
was my next
they
one.
were fighting before she left. I know there was a couple nights where they were going at it.
Yeah, but this was like she's been gone for a while.
Yeah, she's been gone for at least a month and a half now.
If not more, I don't know.
이웃들은 할머니가 멕시코로 갔다고 진술했으며 아들은 할머니의 근황에 대해서는 침묵으로 일관하며 할머니가 없는 사이 할머니 소유의 차량을 팔았다고 전하였는데요. 심지어 이웃들은 할머니가 멕시코 여행을 갔다기에는 겨우 걸어다닐 정도의 몸 상태였다고 진술했습니다. 한편 약 15분간 계속 문을 두드린 끝에 닫혀있던 할머니 집 문이 열리게 되는데요. 계속 확인해 보시죠.
He's coming to the front door. Open up.
Sorry, man. I thought you were someone else, dude.
Mind if I step in and talk to you real quick?
Yeah, no problem.
Can I step in and talk to you?
Oh, yeah. Come in. I'll just see that.
Dogs friendly?
Yeah, they bite. I mean, they bark. They don't bite.
Okay.
Yeah, can I shut the door so they don't run off?
My partner's coming in too.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. But,
Banging on the door. My bad. I was sleepy, dude.
okay.
It's been a rough 2 weeks, man. Sorry about that. I've been.
What's been going on?
Mom's missing, man, with college, work. I've been overstressed, tired, you know what I mean?
Right through 360.
Just trying to get some rest, man.
Okay.
Exhausted from worrying, you know what I mean?
Yeah, the reason why we're here is because family is concerned and saying that they've been trying to reach out to you, that you've just kind of been ignoring them.
Calls, man. I'll show you the text messages, everything. I've never ignored none of them.
You should. Okay.
I got out of prison, I'm in college, man. 4.0 student president's list. 15 times straight, dude. Into the Lord now, you know?
Okay.
The last time I had seen her, when she came in, I asked her, what are you doing? She said, I've been kicking it with her. She said, I've been seeing her, is what she said. And I just went to my room. I thought she was going to crash here in her room. I woke up in the morning. There was a load of clothes in the washer because we have a front loader. So she tends to leave the clothes in there and it stinks, the front loader. So I thought she was in her room. So I went in her room and she was gone. So I put her clothes to dry. That was the last time I seen her, man.
Okay. Alright. And before that, she didn't mention anything about going anywhere, seeing anybody?
Yeah, mixing with the rats and
Like, did your mom go out?
man, she was the landlady said that I don't know what the stage is.
after 15 to 17?
What's up, boss?
Let's step outside. Go and put your hands behind your back.
Right.
She's in the freezer.
아들과 경찰이 대화를 나누던 사이 현장에 있던 다른 경관은 갑자기 이유도 알 수 없이 무언가에 이끌리듯 냉장고로 향하게 됩니다. 그리고 그 안에서 발견된 봉투 속 정체는 다름 아닌 시신이었는데요. 이에 경찰은 즉시 아들을 체포하게 됩니다. 체포된 아들은 49세의 르로이라는 인물이었는데요. 과연 냉장고 속 봉투에 담겨있던 시신은 정말 실종된 얼레스티나 할머니였던 걸까요? 이후 연행되는 르로이는 의미심장한 말을 던지기 시작합니다.
I know. Hey, good. I know. Let's don't worry, man.
Be quiet.
Sure. I know the crap.
Services. Hey, okay.
Thank you, man. Hey, will you take the dogs in, please, sir? So they don't stay out here?
Huh? I can't put them out. I can't put them inside there.
Can they follow me and I'll come right
Yeah,
back?
they can follow. They can follow us.
No, us inside, so I can lock them. You can lock them in.
No.
Right now
We're not going in there.
I love you guys, man. Can I kiss them?
Huh?
Can I kiss the dogs goodbye?
Just finish your cigarette and have a seat in the car, man.
Can I finish my smoke at least, man?
No.
I'll put your dogs in my car.
Have a seat inside. Okay?
Thank you, man.
Yes, sir. Have a seat inside.
Hey, I love you. I love you guys, man.
I'm just gonna let him
Come on, buddy.
and go back
Thank
here.
you, man. I appreciate it.
Yeah.
Come on, buddy.
You gonna bite me?
No, you don't bite.
So, what did you see?
Dude, she's in the freezer. She's wrapped up in a trash bag in the freezer. But it's clearly a body. Like her head.
르로이는 체포되는 순간 자신이 저지른 일이 무엇인지 알고 있는 듯 보였는데요. 당시 냉장고로 향했던 경관은 욕실에 남아있던 할머니의 약봉투를 보고 멕시코로 여행을 갔다는 진술을 의심하기 시작했습니다. 그리고 이 단서 하나로 냉장고로 이끌리듯 향하게 된 것인데요. 이후 르로이는 경찰서로 연행되어 형사의 신문을 받기 시작합니다. 하지만 르로이는 상당히 이해하기 어렵고 난해한 말들을 쏟아내기 시작하는데요.
No one believes me, man. It's all good, ain't it happened to me and I still don't believe it, bro. I still can't make sense of it. Most of it's lies anyways. You never get them to get the truth. You know what I mean?
Who's lying?
I don't know, man. I don't know who they are, what they are, I don't know what the they are, man. Witches. I don't know what you call them. People who are giving their light to darkness, you know? My family, I come from a family of witches, my grandma, my aunts, my mom. It's not something you talk about, really. It's a secret. You can't talk about it. And I don't know if I was promised or I've heard so many lies, dude.
When you say you were promised, what does that mean?
I know, promised to Satan.
Like by
Promised.
family?
My mom, yeah.
How did you find out about that?
It's just shit you gotta learn from other witches, you know, that ain't into it and shit. You gotta talk to them, ask them questions, you know, and then you're still just guessing, really, because I despise evil, bro. I mean, what I did was a bad thing, and I can't ever take that back. Only God's the judge.
What happened on that day?
So I think it's a nightmare, man, but here's a quarter, it's on fire. You know, it looks like a quarter, it's on fire, and he's like, ha, 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 and he drops his quarter. And when he drops it, it rolls down my head, down the middle of my nose, down my arm, and down this middle finger. And I jump up, and I'm like, I have a nightmare. I go back to sleep. The morning comes around, I tell my grandpa's wife, I'm gonna use the bathroom, wash up. I wet my face. When I look up in the mirror, there's a burn mark, okay, everywhere that coin hit me. All down my middle finger.
What happened, man? What happened to your mom?
I chopped him up in that freezer, eh? And put him in a dump somewhere. I couldn't do that to her, eh? Like she was trapped after all that shit she's done to me. Yeah, there's another vault though. Her old man's in the dump somewhere, Bob. Apartments. Put him in bags, chopped him up, and threw him away like trash, eh?
You couldn't do that to mom?
Yeah, I killed him. Because they were, you know, trying to set me up. I walked in his room and I shot him. Pop, pop. Pop, pop. I had to put the gun down. I said, turn me in, because I was going to kill her too for that shit. I couldn't. She tells me, no, I need you out here. The next thing I know, we're looking around for something to chop him up with, eh? Get rid of the body. I never got rid of a body. But that's my mom, I'll do it. You know what I mean? Whatever she says.
Mm-hmm. Where was this?
It took me 2 hours, eh, to chop that up. Get rid of him, you know what I mean? My mom's been in that fucking freezer for 3 weeks, eh?
3 weeks?
Because I couldn't chop her up like that. I fucking strangled her, eh?
What'd you use to strangle her?
My arm. Like that.
Which arm?
I don't remember.
Okay.
Like this one. This one.
How long did you hold her?
For a little while. It took a long time, eh? It's not like you think.
It took a long time. How come you held her so long?
Huh?
Why did you hold her so long?
Why you ask questions like, you know why? To kill her, eh?
So when your mom was dead, what did you use to cut her up?
What I used to cut her up?
Yeah.
The sawzall is under the sink. You can get it?
Sawzall under the sink. And did you use anything else?
No, and
Where did you cut her up?
I got a freezer.
What's that?
In the freezer,
Oh, she was in the freezer and that's where you cut?
just a couple times I couldn't do it. I think I took out a leg, both legs and an arm or something. About right here.
She was laying in the freezer as you were cutting?
No, I didn't get rid of her like I did her boyfriend. Eh? But I couldn't do it, eh? I didn't want to kill her, eh?
How long did you wait before trying to cut her up?
Let me ask you a question. Is this true? If you wait a couple of days, the blood will thicken? Is that true?
I don't know. Is that what you did?
I waited a couple of days.
Okay.
I'm not a violent person, man. I'm not a bad guy. I'm actually a good person.
Had you been using meth before this? You strangled your mom?
I use a little here and there, but like tiny little, man.
Small amounts?
Not even small amounts, not even like $2 worth. I love her, hey, I don't care what nobody says, I'll always love her. And that's messed up, man. I wish I didn't do that.
Do you think it was wrong what you did?
Nah, it was wrong. There's only one judge, that's God. I should let him judge, eh, but
르로이는 누가 봐도 정신이 온전치 않은 사람으로 보였습니다. 정신이 오락가락하는 듯 보였지만 가장 중요한 점은 결국 자신이 어머니를 목졸라 살해한 뒤 시신을 훼손했다는 사실을 인정했다는 점인데요. 그렇다면 범행 동기는 도대체 무엇이었을까요? 신문 내용이 방대의 영상에 담지 못한 부분도 있지만 르로이는 어머니가 자신에게 항상 거짓말을 해왔고 자신을 해치기 위해 사람들을 고용하거나 괴롭혔다고 주장했습니다. 또한 가족들 모두가 마녀라고 주장한 점을 미루어 볼 때 명확한 동기라기보다는 불안정한 자신의 세계에 갇힌 상태에서 범행을 저지른 것으로 전해지고 있는데요. 이후 르로이는 1급 살인과 증거인멸 등의 혐의로 기소됩니다. 하지만 예상하셨듯 르로이는 정신이 온전치 않았고 이에 따라 재판을 받을 수 있는 상태인지에 대한 정신감정이 진행되게 되었습니다. 감정 결과 재판을 받을 능력이 없다는 판결이 내려졌고 이에 따라 현재 르로이는 재판 수행 능력이 없는 위험인물로 분류되어 정신건강시설에 강제 수용된 상태입니다. 또한 영상 초반에 언급했던 르로이의 전과 역시 신문과정에서의 발언과 연결되는데요. 르로이는 어머니의 남자친구를 살해했다고 주장했지만 이는 공식적으로 확인되거나 실제로 발생한 사건이 아닌 르로이의 상상 속에서 만들어진 이야기로 추측되는데요. 그 이유는 르로이의 전과 중 살인 미수 혐의가 확인되었고 해당 사건으로 약 6년간 징역형을 복역한 것으로 나와 있는데 아마 그는 과거의 살인 미수 사건을 자신의 기억 속에서 실제 살인으로 왜곡해 받아들이고 있는 것으로 추측됩니다. 이상으로 영상을 마치며 시청해주셔서 감사합니다.